Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing my 10-minute go-to makeup routine. It is so easy. This is what I do when I have to go to an event or something that I need to look nice and I don't have a lot of time to actually get ready. So I hope you guys like it. If you are new to my channel, definitely check out my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe. I would love to have you guys around, and let's go ahead and get started with this video. The first thing I do in my 10-minute makeup routine is prime my skin. I love the Too Faced Hangover RX primer because it hydrates my skin and then also helps my makeup last and go on smoother. And then I will use my concealer. I'm the type of person that likes to do concealer before foundation, but if you like it the other way around, by all means, do whatever works for you. But I love the Tarte Shape Tape because it lasts for so long throughout the day, but it's also very easy to work with. So I want to use something that is long lasting, especially because I'm doing my makeup quickly, but it's also easy to work with. So I'm just applying that to brighten up the areas of my face that I need to and conceal any redness. For foundation, if I'm doing something quick, I actually prefer to use like a tinted moisturizer, especially if I have a higher coverage concealer, because then I don't need to worry about concealing anything else. So I'm mixing these two from Tarte and 100% Pure, and then I will powder my face, and I will usually choose something that has a little bit more coverage. So I love this Mineral Wear one from Physicians Formula, and I just put that all over my face to set it down and give a little bit of extra coverage. Now for adding color and depth back into my face, I like to use multi-use products. So this is a bronzer from Too Faced, but it also has a bit of a rosy tint to it and a little bit of a highlight, so it makes your skin look glowy and fresh. And then I do like to add another highlight on top. This step is obviously optional, especially if you have something like the Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer, because it does have a little bit of a highlight, but I like to add a little bit of extra glow to my skin. It makes it look like you took way more time doing your makeup. And then I do also like to put a little bit of it onto my like brow bone area and the inner corner of my eyes. And then for the actual eyeshadow, I love the eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay, and I'm taking the shade here and putting it into my crease. This is a super quick and easy thing to do, just to add like a slight wash of color to your crease, give you a little bit of more warmth, and it totally makes it look like you did put more effort into your makeup. And I'm only using 2 eyeshadows for this. This next one is just gonna go all over my lid, especially when I'm in a rush. I like to choose a color that can go all over your lid super quickly. Usually that's something that has a bit of shimmer in it, because typically it is a lot easier to blend out, and choosing a bronzy type of color like this makes it look like you did put more effort into your makeup. And then I'm going to add a little bit of that color that I used in the crease and just apply it along my bottom lash line super quickly, just to tie everything together. And then I will apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. I do have lash extensions, so obviously it takes like no time at all. Really, I could probably do this in less than 10 minutes because of the lash extensions, but I wanted to make it fair and say that you could do this in a very short amount of time, even if you don't. And I do have microbladed brows, but I do like to fill them in a bit. So I'm using this brow marker, and this side is like an ink stain. The other side is a regular waterproof pencil, but I love this one, especially when I want my brows to look natural, but just a little bit more defined. So I'm just using that. It is from Urban Decay as well, of course. And no matter what type of makeup I'm wearing, I always set my brows in place. So this one is also from Urban Decay. It's the brow finish in the shade Ozone. They have tinted ones as well, but since I did just fill in my brows, I just used the clear one because I do have a little bit of extra time. If not, you could totally use a tinted one and completely skip the other step of filling them in. And then I just choose a neutral lipstick. This is from Bite Beauty. It's called Honeycomb, one of my favorite lipsticks ever. And then I will set it in place, because usually if I'm in a hurry, I do want my makeup to last a long time. So I love the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, and then I will take my damp beauty blender and just dab it all over to set it down, and that is literally it. Okay, so that is it for my 10-minute go-to makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. And definitely let me know in the comment section what types of videos you want to see this summer, because obviously I want to make what you guys want to see. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!